Hello. Let me tell about ourselves first. We are friends from many years. We all wanted to do something new and we wanted to give something really good to the market. And we tried really hard. We did lot of hard work and we came up with a startup and a new product. And we named it as
Sober TECHIES.
Yes. I'm Jason D'Souza, the web developer.
I'm Rashwin NR, project manager.
I'm Dasha Saldana, the marketing manager.
I'm Maurya Bedepa, operation manager.
Yes. So, we will see more about this project. So, DNA, as soon as I tell DNA, something special happens in our body, right? Yes. This is our project. We are going to work on DNA. Let me tell you, this DNA or something in biological science, the data science is growing very vast. The data science or else the technical aspects in biological thing is going to be big nowadays, and the future is this. Yes. Do you know a 1 gram of synthetic DNA can store around 275 petabytes of data? Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is future. We are gonna save our data in DNA in our future. Yes, this thing right now people are working, but we have brought something new to the market, and we are working on DNA. DNA consists of 3 major things. One is phosphate, the second is deoxyribose, and then the nitrogenous bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Yes, the last time what I spoke about adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine, we are going to work on this, shortly known as ATGC. Our product is based on this. When I tell something new we are gonna introduce, yes, really we are gonna introduce something new. When I don't tell it market, but let me tell it, in the world no one have this app or no one have tried on it. We are the first one to bring it on the global market. Yes, you heard it right. When I talk about ATGC, yes, it counts the number of nucleic acids, the combinations, as well as it does something advanced or tools. It has some advanced tools and advanced option regarding this. And not only this, it is going to work on RNA as well. The further things will be explained by our operational manager Maurya. Thank you.
Have you even wondered about your body and how it reacts to the medicine, exercise, nutrition, sleep, etc., etc.? Do you think is there more than what I see on the surface? This is an exciting time in the history where we see scientific advancement in the area of individual medicine. Due to the extensive work in the sequencing and mapping in the human genome, we are able to being processed to utilize this new genetic information to help our clients and customers discover the best and most personalized method for care, diet, and exercise to perform at the highest level of health possible. Over to my colleague.
Thank you, Maurya. Yeah, the final moment has come. We are launching our product, Nucleic Acid Counter. This is a unique product. This is nowhere in this world. This is the first time ever a nucleic acid counter product is going to be launched. As my colleague said earlier, there is no other product in this world which counts the nucleic acid. There are many advanced techniques in this world, but there are no base techniques which starts from counting and going to the advanced. We are getting this. We are getting our product from the basic. This will go stepwise to the advanced one. So there are many features, many uses of this product. So these are the futures. This is user interactive. So user interactive in the sense, not only a biology student, even a common man can see how the A or T, G and C varies, how the length of A varies from the length of T, how A is connected to T. So these are the unique features. It can analyze both two sequences, like the original one in the sense original data, as well as the targeted data, which is a data for study, which is a data used for study. So this we can compare both of them and see which is the targeted sequence is mutated or not. We can also count the dinucleotides, whereas AA, AT, etc. So yeah, shall we run our model and see how it works? Yes, please run our model. So yeah, this is our front end where you can paste your DNA sequence, or you can choose a file and you can paste your DNA sequence. Oh yes, it's loading. Yes. This is where it goes. When we entered our DNA sequence, it tells whether the entered sequence is DNA or not, and it gives the length of the bases also. It is interactive, where you can see the length of A, length of T, length of G, and length of C. This is user interactive, where a common man even can understand this. So here we can see the length of adenine. This is 382 in a Homo sapiens, CDK 5, number of guanine, and so on. There is no uracil, you can see that. So this completely tells that the entered sequence is DNA. So here we come for the GC content. GC content in human DNA, there should be the average from 35 to 60% of GC content. So here we witness around, can we please go to, yes, 54% of GC content is present in this DNA sequence. So this is a pie chart which tells the content, GC content. 736 out of from the length of DNA sequence, 736 GC content is present in DNA sequence, whereas AT content is 607. Here we can see the dinucleotides. Can we go to home page, please? Yes. Compare. Here we can compare. The original data can be entered over there, and the data for the study, DNA sequence and the study can be pasted over here and submit. There it gives the similarity of both the datas, and it tells whether the data are similar or not. If the data is not similar, then if data is very less similar to the original data, then we can say that it is a mutated one. Yes, that's it. Over to Tasha. Thank you.
Thank you, Rashwin. Well, did you guys know that Steve Jobs was actually among the first 20 people in the world to have his DNA sequenced? He also had the DNA of his cancer sequenced, just so that in the hope that he would get more information to get better treatment for his cancer, as well as other people having the same condition. Personal genomics can actually help us to optimize our health by improving our diet and also by exercising more. So coming to the market, just like my colleague said, there is no other app that has the same functionality that our app does. So what does that mean? Well, that means that the entire market is ours to take over, right? Personal genomics can be used to predict or confirm a genetic disorder. For example, we can tell if a woman is carrying a breast cancer gene, and if so, how much possibility is it for her to eventually develop breast cancer in her lifetime? So by having this information, she can then go on to take preventive measures earlier on. Personal genomics can also be used to prescribe the right drug to a patient by minimizing the side effects, but also by increasing the effect. And this is just one of the many different target audiences that we have in mind for our product. Over to my colleague.
Isn't that amazing? Yes, it is. That's it about our product right now, and we work best for our product and for all the projects related to this. Thank you.